everyone who came here today to join us in the Business Assembly to learn, to meet new friends, and reconnect with most of us here in the travel, hotel, and academic community.
We chose these topics because there are, I would say, programs from DOT that we might not be familiar with. So to help us with our business, that's why we invited the people that are part of our program today.
PIENSA is now the investment promotion agency for tourism. So I'd like to highlight this point because this is very important. Our role now, especially in our sector, is to attract, facilitate, and support investors.
Up to 3 years, and kung ang loans nyo po ay 300,000 and below, hanggang 3 years lang po yung maximum term. Pero pag suki or beyond 3 years, first timers po kayo, pwede po up to 5 years ang inyong repayment term na pipiliin. Interest rate, 1% per month based on diminishing balance.
Ano yung country branding natin? Love the Philippines. But since you are Metro Manila operators, may regional branding tayo, Metro Manila. It all starts here.